but you don't call somebody a traitor. You can say, oh, aap mere ko chhod gaye, you left me, but you don't call a traitor has a very serious implication. So I'm afraid Mr. Rahul Gandhi has some answering to do.
The fact that you've also, calling him, Rahul Gandhi calling Ravneet Bittu my traitor friend, linking it to the attack on the Harmandir Sahib, to the Darbar Sahib.
No.
Sir, go on, sir. My point is...
You can call somebody whatever your point you have, Gaurav, I respect that. You're a journalist, you're a senior journalist, but you don't call somebody a traitor. You can say, oh, aap mere ko chhod gaye, you left me, you so and so, but you don't call a traitor has a very serious implication. Unless you're not familiar with the nuances of the language, a traitor means somebody who has committed treason against the nation. The Sikhs have been in the forefront of fighting for the nation. I reminded them about the 350th birth anniversary of Guru Tegh Bahadur, about, the shahadat of the, Sahibzadas. The fact that a lot of Sikhs take great pride in having sacrificed, of having been martyred for the life. Guru Gobind Singh Ji's life is full of that when the Khalsa was established. So I'm afraid Mr. Rahul Gandhi has some answering to do.
Sir, but the Congress is not backing down, sir. The Congress party is hit back. In fact, Pawan Kheda, he's doubling down on this. He's called Ravneet Bittu a lowly traitor who sold ideology for power or words to that effect. In fact, Supriya Srinath, Congress party leader and spokesperson, she said, Ravneet Bittu, tum gaddar ho. Gaddari ki saza Punjab ki janta ne tumhe di. 2024 elections he lost from Ludhiana.
Look, let me just put something to you. Ravneet Bittu, his family lineage, his own standing, and I don't think he needs certificates from Pawan Khera. So whether it's Supriya Srinath or anything, I don't want to get into that. That's a political sacrifice. You are very upset that somebody who was a part of you went there. But listen to me. Do you endorse the use of language like this? Traitor. I don't think Mr. Pawan Khera or Ms. Supriya ji have applied their mind. As far as I am concerned, it's an open and shut case. They should introspect. There has to be deep anguish there. Alright, desecration of Golden Temple was bad enough. I don't know how Sikhs can even be seen with them. But in today's day and age, you saw the reaction not only from the BJP, but Sikhs all over the world are reacting to that and finding it unacceptable. That's all I can say to you.
Okay.